Hi everyone, these are all the books that I bought before and during my exams, and I'm so excited to talk about each book one by one. So, first of all, these are the three books that I got from the studentstore.pk website. The first book is Never Lie by Frida McFadden, and it's a most famous thriller. And this is Caraval, which is a fantasy book. मैंने इस बुक के बारे में बहुत कुछ सुन रखा है एंड आई विल अटैच द वाइब्स ऑफ दिस बुक ऑन द स्क्रीन. इन बुक्स की क्वालिटी बस ओकेज थी क्योंकि ये बहुत अफोर्डेबल और लो प्राइजेस में मिली मुझे, सो आई थिंक प्रिटी गुड. नेक्स्ट बुक इज़ द मोस्ट फेमस थ्रिलर अ गुड गर्ल्स गाइड टू मर्डर, एंड ये एक सीरीज़ है 3 बुक्स की. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट हाइप थ्रिलर ऑन बुक टॉक एंड बुकस्टाग्राम, सो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू रीड इट. This book revolves around a murder mystery and an investigator, which is, I think, the protagonist of this book. The name of the investigator is Pippa, and she reopens the murder case which was closed back then. I don't know much about this story, but I am so excited to read it. These are the bookmarks I got with these books. And this particular website gave me the discount code at my first order, as you can see here. Okay, so the next book is recommended me by ChatGPT, so I don't know much about it. मैंने GPT को अपने टेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग कुछ बुक्स रेकमेंड करने को कही थी, एंड ही गेव मी दिस रिकमेंडेशन, एंड आई डोंट नो मच अबाउट दिस. आई जस्ट नो अबाउट लिटिल समरी ऑफ दिस बुक, एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू रीड इट. And here I found a receipt inside this book. और हमने इसके टाइटल के बारे में तो बात ही नहीं कही थी, इनविजिबल लाइफ ऑफ एडी लॉरे. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie that I just bought this next book for the sake of the aesthetic cover of this book. Look at the prettiest cover. Now I am showing you the close-up. The next 2 books are from the Harry Potter series, क्योंकि मैं Harry Potter series collect कर रही थी, and I already have the 4 books and I bought these 2, and look at the size of this book. This is a big chunky book. And now these are the books which are so special to me because ये मैंने print करवाई थी, and this is the big chunky classic The Count of Monte Cristo. You can see that ये एक ही book है, but they just made the volume 1 and 2 ताकि मुझे पढ़ने में आसानी हो, because it's 400 plus pages book. Look at the gorgeous penguin classic cover. And here comes my most favorite part of this video. These are the 2 books which are in the hardcovers, and this is the bookmark I got with these books. These are my first ever hardcover books and I am obsessed. Now just talk about my most favorite and awaited book, which is Babel by R.F. Kuang. If you can sense excitement in my voice, I am obsessed with this cover. मैं ये टावर मैप दिखाना चाह रही थी जो कि ठीक से फोकस नहीं हो पा रहा था, सो दिस इज़ द पिक्चर ऑफ दिस. दिस बुक इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज डार्क एकेडेमिया. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस gorgeous cover of Jane Eyre by Charlotte Bronte. I'm not sure if it's Bronte or Bront. If I mispronounce it, so ignore it. Look at the gorgeous detailing on this book cover. Babel is the book for which I want to make a separate reading vlog for, because this is the book that I think it's gonna be my next 5-star read. So let's see कि ये मेरी expectations पे पूरा उतरती है या नहीं. Now I'm gonna show you the annotation supplies I bought. These are the small transparent sticky notes. ये मैंने इसलिए लिए थे कि अगर मैं margins में ना लिखना चाहूँ तो I would prefer them. And these are the book tabs. I got them in dark colors. This one is my favorite. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one.